name is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole. Name ain't Nicole.
Hey everyone, back to my channel. So it's Friday. That means it's face chart Friday. If my brows look a little long, it's because this face chart in itself is just 100% something I've never done. But because I am currently on vacation, I go back to work on Monday. I get to do this look because I don't have to go into work. So I didn't do anything, but I put primer on my face, which is actually sunscreen. So if I look really white or light right now, it's because there is sunscreen / primer on my face. If you've been to my channel, then you know that there's this sunscreen in Korea that is also a makeup primer from IPKN blah blah blah. It's like an apple pore primer that I've been using. It's a sunscreen / primer. I've been using it. I love it. So that's why my face looks extra not similar, but the only thing I did was the primer and then the brows. And so we're gonna get into this crazy face chart. Let's get started.
Now you're paying for your sins. You stole, you lied, you buried the best parts of me. My heart has died, it rests in loving memory. You lie, you buried the best parts of me. My heart has died, it rests in loving memory. Here lies a boy, dearly departed, killed for no reason at all. Trusted in you, left broken hearted, thought you'd be there to catch my fall. I've been paying for your sins. You stole, you lied, you buried the best parts of me. My heart has died, it rests in loving memory. Beautiful boy, bathed in disaster, ruining lives just for fun. Trial by fire, guilty of murder. Baby, there's nowhere left to run. Now you're paying for your sins. You stole, you lied, you buried the best parts of me. My heart has died, it rests in loving memory. You lie, you buried the best parts of me. My heart has died, it rests in loving memory. Here lies a boy, dearly departed, killed for no reason at all. Trusted in you, left broken hearted, thought you'd be there to catch my fall. I've been paying for your sins. You stole, you lied, you buried the best parts of me. My heart has died, it rests in loving memory. Beautiful boy, bathed in disaster, ruining lives just for fun. Trial by fire, guilty of murder. Baby, there's nowhere left to run. Now you're paying for your sins. You stole, you lied, you buried the best parts of me. My heart has died, it rests in loving memory. You lie, you buried the best parts of me. My heart has died, it rests in loving memory. Here lies a boy, dearly departed, killed for no reason at all. Trusted in you, left broken hearted, thought you'd be there to catch my fall. I've been paying for your
I am by no way done. However, I have to say, I have to stop because I keep looking at myself in the mirror behind and the viewfinder and everything, and I'm just like, I look like I got slapped across the face by the Joker's whole outfit. Like, his whole outfit just came and said, "Pow!" I like it though in a weird way, but crap, this looks so weird. I don't know what to make of this. So far I've used the Brazil Take Back to Brazil palette from BH Cosmetics and the two Morphe palettes, the 35U and the 35P. Yeah, next I'm going to do my mascara. I'm going to do that off camera because I really need to focus. And when I do it on camera, this one always comes out crappy, so I need to focus. So I'm gonna do it off camera real quick, real fast. I'll be right back. And now it's lipstick time, which is going to be really hard because if you look in the picture, it's just like real crazy. And I have to figure out how I'm going to make it look black and purple and green all at the same time. So here I have two Jeffree Star liquid lips. We have You Better Work and Weirdo, and then I have the Mint Condition, which is what I used on the lid and in the inner corner for my right side. So let's see if I can make this work.
You lie, you buried the best parts of me. My heart has died, it rests in loving memory. Here lies a boy, dearly departed, killed for no reason at all. Trusted in you, left broken hearted, thought you'd be there to catch my fall. I've been paying for your sins. You stole, you lied, you buried the best parts of me. My heart has died, it rests in loving memory. Beautiful boy, bathed in disaster, ruining lives just for fun. Trial by fire, guilty of murder. Baby, there's nowhere left to run. Now you're paying.
And this is the finished look. Holy cow, this looks crazy. I did add some white dots using Drug Lord because in the pictures you can, like, the shine is so intense that it looks white in those spots, and I'm pretty sure he used the white or he didn't color it in or whatever. So I decided to, you know, put it there, and I haven't blended it yet because don't know if it's dry, but I want to like fade out a little bit with my fingertips and like try to blend it more into the color so it's like not as white like I just did. It actually worked. It looks better. Oh, I could never go to work like this. I mean, I could, but I don't know. I don't think I would though, because this is a lot. Like, I like it though. I didn't think it would come out this good. I thought I was gonna fuck something up. You can't tell that my brow is green or this one is purple, but that's fine. I mean, it was there for an aesthetic. It was there for a fact. I'm going to go take pictures now. I don't think I'm gonna change my top. I don't think I have anything that would fit this look. Like, and it's too hot to put on long sleeves because like I could do I have lots of blouses that are like white and black colors that would fit this, but it's too hot to be putting on long sleeves. So listen, Linda, listen. I'm just gonna take a picture in my Mickey Mouse shirt, and it is what it is. That's it for this video. I hope you like this look. I like this look. I'm proud of this look. Wow. Just wow. Anyway, that's it for this video. I might film one tomorrow, but for next Friday, because I think I want to do another crazy look, but I don't want to have to do that look and then wipe it off my face and then do another look for work. So I think I might film next week's Face Chart Friday tomorrow while I have the time, while I can do crazy stuff. So yeah, I don't know yet. Anyway, that's it for this. Let me know if you guys like, first of all, let me know if you guys like these kinds of crazy looks, because if you do, then I can film them. I can pre-film those for Fridays. But that's it for this look. Until my next filming won't be, well, my next video won't be until Monday. So yeah, see you then. Bye.